Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, couple of words on the gold market. Well, since market yesterday has shown the drop, since the drop really was significant, although we have talked on it and said that, well, we probably should expect another leg down, but this leg was a bit too strong, guys, and in fact we could say, or better to say that we have to acknowledge that our short-term bullish setup stands at the edge of the failure. Because right now market, as you can see, coiling around major FIB support, 618 FIB support, but mostly it seems that the further drop has been stopped by the oversold, but not the FIB support. So you can see market has passed through the FIB support and just stands at the oversold. If we suggest that market wouldn't be at the oversold, in this case we probably could see the significant drop lower. Also we see other bearish signs here. First of all, market stands below as weekly as the monthly pivot points. Besides, weekly pivot point hasn't been even tested on the current week. Also, market has dropped below the weekly pivot support one. This tells us that this is not just a retracement inside of the bull trend. Dropping below the weekly pivot support one tells that's probably the new bear trend is coming. Well, we have the multiple other targets to the downside as soon as market will break that area. First of all, these lows will be significant because here market will erase totally this ABCD and will give us the total theoretical confirmation of the failure of this ABCD, because market will drop below the C point. Then next target will be 1080 lows right here. But as you know, when the market returns back to the lows, it's not just to retest them. It's usually it's market failure to show any upward action. In this case, it usually returns back to break these areas down. That's why this idea with this guarded triple to sell that we have discussed on the weekly chart, thrust down, ABCD retracement, and further downward continuation could take very significant meaning in the nearest term perspective. In this sort, maybe we will get the completement of our long-term bearish patterns that we have discussed in monthly chart. Our major conclusion was that it's too early to speak on the bullish reversal. So yes, this rally is significant on daily, but we still have the bearish patterns that are still valid, and we will not deny them, we will not ignore them until they are valid. And their target stands at 1050. That's why, who knows, maybe this move down is the road right to the 1050. Also, guys, as you remember, the Goldman Sachs suggests that gold should drop. Maybe they will be right. So anyway, current action that we see right now is a very negative sign for the bullish perspective on the short-term charts and daily chart. And here, guys, we probably will have to turn to some tactical trading, mostly because bullish setup right now mostly failed, so we do not know what will happen on the data releases. Today will be important data release, on Friday, non-farm payrolls release, maybe something will change. But as it seems right now, we probably will be watching for opportunity for taking the short position here, especially if market will drop further. And one of the chance to do this is this thrust down. So probably very soon market could form some Jordan-Napoli directional patterns here based on this thrust down, because the scale of this thrust, the scale of this drop is too significant for the intraday charts. For example, take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart here, guys. Market, by this drop yesterday, has broken through the 1618 extension of this ABCD pattern. So, other words speaking, here on the 4-hour time frame chart would not have any other extensions that could be suitable and useful for estimating of the important levels for trading or something of that sort. That's why here, guys, we just could, for example, watch for this thrust down and watch for possible Jordan-Napoli patterns. For example, if market will form here double repo, maybe the 3 or maybe Renbada, we could try to trade it. So, but this will be mostly separate individual patterns, tactical trading that has no relation to overall analysis, overall picture. This is just the independent pattern. So you have traded it, get the profit, and that's all. and you do not care what is happening in the bigger time frame charts. When some longer perspective, longer setups are broken, in this case, for some time until market will form another one or will change the medium-term situation, you usually turn to the trading of tactical setups. So this could be some short-term patterns or something of that sort. And right now, particularly this moment, so as soon as our bullish setup mostly has failed, and it's really big chances that it finally will fail totally, market should create another setup on the medium-term perspective. Probably it will be bearish, and when it will be formed, we will try to trade with it. But until this will happen, we will be watching for shorter-term setups. For example, this thrust, maybe we will get the bread and butter or something of that sort. That's our current view on the market. So currently, guys, probably it's better to stay aside from the market, because taking long here, I don't want that you would like to do this. Although you have the bullish stretch pattern here, this is the oversold right at the fib support. So you will get some reversal patterns here, or maybe on the hourly chart. You could try to, maybe if you would like, you could trade this. But in general, long position here has lost its foundation. It lost the reason to do this, because this is too significant drop for the correction retracement right just to the EBCD pattern. So mostly bullish pattern has failed. Taking the short position right at the support and reversal is also really a bit dangerous. That's why it's better to stay aside for a while and look what would really happen on the gold market.